Now we're at the part of the installation where you have to address small hairline cracks and or pits and spalls in your concrete. We suggest using Spartan Epoxy's 2-part crack filler. Comes in 1 gallon kits or however much you need, and you take part A and mix it with an equal part of part B on a piece of cardboard or a hawk like I have here. Equal parts. And then you just blend it together thoroughly. If you don't blend it together thoroughly, it won't cure. It'll stay gummy and make a mess. So once you're blended thoroughly, it'll all turn one consistent color. And you're ready for installation. Installation's simple. Get yourself a nice 4 or 5 inch putty knife. Follow along your joint or your crack. Fill it in tight. Turn your knife over. Go back over it and scrape. Back onto your hawk. Nice thing about this product, as soon as I'm done doing this, I can install my first coat of epoxy right over top of it, even though it's still wet. There you go.
Mike, how big a crack do you put that in?
You can put it in as big a crack as you want.
Yeah.
The only problem is if you put it in a crack that's too big and you try to go out on it in your installation with your spiked shoes on, inevitably you're going to step in it.
Yeah.
So there are other products. If you have a large repair that needs to be done, there's other stuff.